Join me as I discover a new way to reduce my walking time for getting wood to a burn pile. I actually use my brain this time. So I've got a couple of things I still need to figure out, but I'm hoping that there's a solution there, as it's gonna speed things up a bit and I'll be able to see progress a little quicker. So here we go. As I was mentioning, I used my brain, started firing on all cylinders for just a bit. I realized something. Let's take a look. My last video, as y'all saw, I was out hauling wood. In that process, I discovered, you know, and I should have known this because I'm the one who put this together, but you know, this. What is this, you might ask? This allows for a hitch connection. Now I got to figure out how or what I could connect it to. Once I discovered that handle, I was trying to figure out, okay, I could tow it behind my 4Runner, but I didn't really want to get that out in the field. And then yesterday, walking over here, I realized, well, wait, does this have a hitch? No, it doesn't. It's supposed to be right here. Next question is, can I get one for it? The answer, yes. So here we go. Once I have it installed, I'll be able to make trips a lot quicker. And now I've got the horse going after the camera. So give me a couple of seconds. I think they're hungry. They keep coming over here, sticking their heads through the gates and nudging me. Yep. George is hungry. I've been working on the tractor. I wish I had a tractor. I wish I had a tractor, but on the lawnmower, and the horses have been mad at me, stomping at me and neighing at me. So we'll put their buckets in here and let the chaos ensue, because I'm sure they're gonna come running. Still doesn't want to start for me. I guess there goes my dream of trying to use this as a trailer. Dang. Check the gas. The gas was good. Again, I'm assuming everything's where it should be from just the amount of collection we have here. The battery is probably dead. So let me grab some tools and get this out, run into town, and we'll see if we get this fired up. Remember when I told you I didn't know anything? I wasn't lying. Went all the way into town, had the battery tested. Battery's good to go. So then I researched proper starting. Probably should have done that first. And I think it was the handle, so let's see. Nope. Oh! There was a yellow button! So, this was pulled up, and then after I cleaned out the handles and had them all the way over, still wasn't turning over. I just reached down, I was like, well, I think that means it's turning, so I'm gonna push it down, and what do you know? Well, gotta turn the choke on. Okay. Well, that didn't work out. Okay. Figured I'd start practicing now because it's just a matter of time before I've got to figure out how to ride one of those things over there. So, thanks for joining me this week. Okay, here we go. Thanks for tuning in again. You get to discover. Nope. Nope.